What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, basically, we're going to be heading over to the homie Ryan's house. He and Franz have been working on a little bit for Bandit, and I think he was doing some stuff with his car as well. Might have something done with mine, not 100% sure yet, but we're going to really play it by ear. But without further ado, let's go ahead and head on over there. Alright, so just got here. Ryan got his car out. But sheesh, it's night and day difference. Those rotors look good. Can't wait to get the brakes painted. Bandit's sitting nice. Just dropped off some new stickers too, so we should be able to fill this up a lot more. Add some different colors too. But yeah, let's go look at the other rotors. I ain't gonna show the color on camera though. Gonna save the reveal for when they actually done.
Yeah.
But
see, Louise ain't even posting no pictures on his.
Alright, sorry I didn't pick up the camera in a little bit. We about to head out and grab something to eat. I'll go ahead and do a little setup, a little recording when we're there. But yeah, in just a moment. Not sure where we're going just yet. Alright, so just got here, all lined up, pretty nice little cruise. This is where we decided to eat at. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get a couple shots here. As always, let me know which one is your favorite. What setup you feeling? Alright, so we done eating. Of course, it got dark pretty quick on us. You go pulling off. Sounding good. Looking good. Alright. Here. But yeah, I'm not gonna end the video here because if I do, it'd be way too short. So I'll probably pick up when we finish with Franz's brakes for Bandit. So I'm gonna try to get a good clip of that. Throw it in here as well. And everybody keep asking about the fog lights here from last fit. They are in the description of all my videos. So if you're interested, the link is down there. But stay tuned. Sheesh. Looking good. It's a new day. About to head back on over to Ryan's. Franz is getting his brakes done right now. It should be either done or almost done by the time I get there though. Man, it get dark so quick here. Hold up. Let's get that light on it. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, it's just from magenta to pink to gold.
Nice. I'm sure this video ain't gonna do it justice, but that's dope.
Yeah, you really gotta see it in person.
Oh yeah, Bandit looking good. Definitely. All right, this about to hurt. I'm sure. This a cold start, right?
Yeah,
it's been
4 hours.
Oh man, yep. Yeah, I knew that was gonna be a sharp one. Good thing Kiwi's in there, she'd have been gone. Sheesh. I got over here right as it was finishing up. Kiwi. Yeah. And I don't think there's a way to get out of here without scraping. He didn't even get to it yet. Shit, and you even lower than you used to be. Three-wheeling. There you go. Oh. Alright, don't sound like nothing else is going on. I don't know. If we see what it is, we'll let you know. I'm trying to check to see what that sound was. Cause when you started driving again, I ain't hear it again. Keely. Yeah. Nice.
The car better watch out for me.
Yeah, it's got Bandit.
Making sure everything's good. We'll test drive.
It's this.
The marker. Scraping on that. Neighbors are gonna be hating you. It's like he always gotta come over here. Scraping on everything. Better watch out for that oil pan. Alright, there we go. Looking good. Alright, Fitted Squad, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I did want to let you guys know I have a couple parts coming in soon. Like I said in a few videos ago, I have my rotors and brake pads coming in. They should be here any day now, but I'll probably get them installed next week sometime. And then I still got to send this radio back so I can get a new one. So that I think I might do that next week as well. Switch back to my old radio so I can bring that out. But yeah, all that's coming up. Thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.